Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, we aim to spread hope and relief between displaced families. We are at Al Asdiqa shelter in the middle area of Gaza Strip, provide our brothers and sisters with a sufficient amount of clean and healthy water for drinking, so join us during our relief journey.
Here we are in Al Asdiqa camp. We send our thanks to you, Khidmat Pakistan, for supplying us water. In this camp, there are 850 families which need for more water. Please don't forget us and supply us with water.